Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your inbox section on the Wrike website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the inbox section. As you can see, it has an inbox section. So let's click on this. And after clicking on the inbox section, as you can see, you will be able to see you all messages here, you all chats here. If you want to chat with your teammate, if you want to get messages as a notification from the website, you will be able to see those all here. As you can see now, this message is here mentioned here. If you want to write whatever you want, you have just write. You just need to write that, and then you have to click on the send, and that message will be sent. As you can see now, these are the notifications. If you want to go to the sent messages, as you can see, this is the message which I sent. If you want to go to the archive messages, you can also do that. In this way, you can manage your whole inbox here. You can send the message, you can receive the message. You will be able to see the notifications as well. So in this way, you can manage your inbox section on the Wrike website. Hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.